Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want fixes now, so start by confirming the original recording file plays locally. If it doesn't, repair or re-export it. Once done, verify disk space and a stable network connection because uploads fail when either is constrained. Next, open YouTube Studio and go directly to Content to locate the failed recording entry so you can see the platform's error message. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. Mismatched accounts often hide failed uploads. Once you've identified the error message, act on it. If it's a format problem, transcode to MP4 with H.264 and AAC audio because YouTube prefers those codecs. If the message indicates network or timeout, try re-uploading in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out extensions or cache issues. If the original file is corrupted, re-export from your editing project at a slightly lower bitrate. That often fixes upload stalls without losing visible quality. Finish by re-uploading the repaired or re-exported file and set visibility to private so you can verify processing completes before public release. While it uploads, fill metadata and a thumbnail so nothing stalls later. Once processing finishes, change visibility as needed. If the upload still fails, download the upload log from Studio or take screenshots of the error, then use YouTube Help to submit it. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.